Skydio 2 or DJI Mini Pro 3. Now between the two, you would think having both of them would be a good problem to have. But let me share something with you. It's been nothing but a headache. But this isn't a comparison video, but more of a warning to the buyer who's thinking of purchasing the Mini Pro 3. So by no means am I here to tell you that I'm some type of drone guy. You know, if you want the ultra specifics on a drone, you might want to check out my boy DC Rainmaker. He has a complete catalog of comparison videos between mini drones, and I'm sure it can help in your purchasing decisions. But no, folks, I'm more of a consumer watcher. And I'm here to hold these companies to account, so when they embellish what their products can do or fabricate their specs, I'm here to let you know. Oh, and I own 1 or 2 bikes. So before you think I'm getting on here just to bash DJI, it's not about that at all. I would even say that they make a nice little drone. I mean, it has the ability to do many things, like fly at night, fly further, and I'm going to admit the camera's most likely better than on the Skydio. But for what I needed to do, it has its shortcomings. So within this video, I will be only talking about DJI's active track. Now with my drone, I do have the RC remote, which is one of the best things about the drone. And just for the naysayers, yes, the firmware is totally up to date. I'm also aware of DJI's top speed for active track mode is nowhere close to 35 miles per hour. But the scooter that I'm riding in all of the videos is the Navi, which the max speed is only 19.5 miles per hour. And if you see what I'm seeing, the drone seems to have a problem of following at the clip of approximately 15 to 16 miles per hour. Come on, little guy, you can do it. So I don't know, maybe it's the trees. Let's get this sucker out in the open. You know, I was thinking, it also could be that the drone just doesn't like me. Believe me, it's happened before. So I throw one of my aces, Mike D, on the Navi, see if he gets better results. See? Did you just see that? Why is this sucker stutter stepping? So in my attempt to capture some non-herky-jerky footage, we send Big Mike out one more time. But this time I want him to get a little bit closer to the tree line, because that's another thing that's pretty much been on point. Obstacle avoidance seems to work out pretty well most of the time. Dang, Mike, nice run. But give me that bike and watch this. I figure with the drone a little bit further away from me, it might not be able to smell me, and we can get a nice clean run. Let's see here. We got active track and obstacle avoidance. No, folks, what we have here is an Amazon return. And Amazon, do us a favor, don't put this back on the shelf. Send this to DJI and tell them to fix the active track. So this is your boy Kachi's Kid. I want everybody else to have a great day. And you know we'll see you in the next one. Peace, ma.